Today we're going to talk about something that happens fairly often, and that is you put up a document on the screen and there's only maybe half of the document. You know, it's like an email that they have and then half of the document's blank, and when you put the document up, you immediately are going to either do a call out or you're going to do a zoom. You have to. We can eliminate the need to move the mouse at this point. You can use one keystroke and get that zoomed in effect. Let's go ahead and go over to On Cue right now, and I'm going to put a document on the screen. This is what I'm talking about right here. When you only have the top of a document, that's it. And the normal thing to do would be to go in right here, quickly zoom, or hit C and quickly do a call out. Either way, you're going to get it up large for the jury to be able to see. But I want you to try something new right now. I want you to try the W key on your keyboard, W. What W does is it automatically takes the top roughly half of the page and turns it into a wide screen. Then to get back to full screen, all we have to do is F, as in full. So WF, WF, WF. You can see how that works right there. It's just an easy thing to think about. As soon as you get a document like this up on the screen, they want to go to the top, just hit W, boom, you're up there, hit F to go back to full screen. Pretty simple lesson for this week, but, you know, that's one that if you didn't know, you didn't know. And it definitely helps you to be able to know quicker ways to do things. I don't know how much quicker it is than a zoom or a highlight, depending on your speed. But for me, the W always comes into play because it works out really well. The F back to full screen always works out really well for me. Both keys are really close together on the keyboard for your keystrokes and the way that works on a regular keyboard. So that's the lesson for today. And we thank you guys once again for coming in. This was a short one for you. We'll see you again next week.